Hello viewers, let's see how we can fix Windows runtime error through three methods. So first let's go and type in search CMD. Command prompt appear, go and right click and then select run as administrator. So when it open, click yes and then type SFC space /SCANNOW SFC space /scare now. And now the process began, and after 100% it will reappear and we will feed another command. So it's done. Now type again dism.exe space / online space cleanup dash image space / restore health. I leave this command in description box for your ease. So copy and paste if required. Now once again click enter and it will start processing. Now after completion restart your computer and hope your system will be restored. Method 2. Now double click my computer, open C drive, then Windows folder, and then System 32 folder, and now go to search and type cmd.exe. Right click on it and once again run as administrator. Now click yes. Again type bcdedit bcedit space / set space increaseuserva space 2800. And if second method also doesn't work, so go for method 3. Reinstall, update Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Download and install the latest supported version from Microsoft site. In case if all three methods doesn't work, then better you reinstall your Windows. Thanks for watching.